Hello friends, Vanakkam, Namaste. Today we are going to see about the recipe Kollu Dosa. Many know it as horse gram or kulti, hulti in Hindi, and Odia we call it as kolta, and in Telugu we call it as ulavalu. Now let's go into the process. 2 cups of boiled rice, and 1 cup of horse gram. Add water to it and soak it overnight. Now add a spoon of methi seeds which keeps our body cool as horse gram is a bit heat content. Now after soaking it all overnight, I'm taking this to grind. We can use mixie also, but I use grinder. We all know that horse gram is rich in proteins and have plenty of minerals too. It's a miracle superfood widely consumed in staple diet of southern parts of India. Health benefits of horse grams are many. Beneficial for diarrhea, diabetes, piles, and good remedy for kidney stones, ulcers, fever, constipation, weight loss, menstruational disturbances, skin rashes and boils, and urinary discharge. Now you can see the fluffiness of the seeds grinded. That's why we did not add urud dal. It plays a role of urud dal in this idli or dosa batter. Now I am taking the horse grams grinded. Now I am adding rice, boiled rice. Now the rice batter is also ready. Now we have to mix both the batters in a large bowl and allow it to get fermented. We should keep at least 6 hours outside to get fermented. Note, we should take it in a large bowl, otherwise the batter might overflow. After 6 hours, I am opening it. You can see the fermentation. Now stir the batter and add salt to it. Now I applied oil to my idli plates and pouring the batter into it. You can add little water to the batter. As you can see the fluffiness of the batter, idli will come nice. Now I am keeping this idli plate in my rice cooker to get steamed. Now I am adding little water to the batter to make the batter bit loose so that it will be easy for me to put the dosas. I am adding little more water. By the time my idlis are also ready and dosa is also getting ready, the taste of this dosa remains the same as the ordinary dosas, but it's an healthy one. Instead of having the horse gram soaked or steamed, you can have this in this way, that is grinded, so it will be easily digested. Rub it with the onion and pour the batters. Apply some oil. You'll get the crispy dosa. Have it with chutneys. It will be tasty. You will not find any differences. And if you like it, please do subscribe it. Thanks for